No down payment pre-selling condo sa Uptown BGC na ideal for Airbnb and rental business. Tara, check natin. So this is the actual studio unit dito sa Uptown Arts Residence. Semi-furnished with premium deliverables from different international brands. Smart home equipped, pet-friendly, complete with hotel-type amenities kaya naman perfect for business and personal use. By the way guys, watch this video until the end para malaman nyo yung details ng mga promos namin. Going back, very prime yung location because it's inside BGC. Surrounded by multinational offices including JP Morgan Chase, walking distance to Mitsukoshi and Uptown Mall and just across Landers BGC. 2 blocks away from St. Luke's Medical Center and only 8 kilometers away from an international airport. For as low as 28,000 pesos per month without down payment, you may secure na yung isa sa mga natitirang unit dito sa Uptown Arts Residence. Keep in mind lang na next year na yung turnover nito, kaya if you are planning to get a unit for Airbnb